Can you tell me why we feel a forward jerk when the brakes of a car are applied? Is something pushing us? Curious to know what it is? Well, let's find out. Our objective is to understand the inertia of any object. A ball rolling on a smooth floor continues to roll till it is forced to stop. The property which makes the rolling ball continue its motion is known as the ball's inertia of motion. On the other hand, if you try to push a huge box on the ground, it is difficult to move it. The property which prevents the motion of the box is known as its inertia of rest. Inertia is the natural property of a body due to which it tends to oppose any change in its state of rest or of motion. Now, the question is, do we need the same amount of force to stop the motion of the ball and to push the big box? Consider two bobs suspended in a Newton's cradle. One is heavier than the other. If these bobs at rest are to be moved through the same distance, then we have to apply more force in the case of the heavier bob, while the lighter bob will require less amount of force to do so. Again, if we want to stop their motion, the heavier bob requires more force to do so than the lighter one. Thus we see that the mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. Let's do an activity. Pile up 5 or 6 similar coins on a table. With another similar coin, strike the vertical column at the bottom with enough force. Only the bottom coin moves out quickly. The other coins in the pile simply fall vertically at the same position due to their inertia of rest. Let's do another activity. Cover a glass tumbler with cardboard. Place a coin on the cardboard. Now, flick the card sharply with your finger. The card glides away, but the coin falls down vertically into the tumbler. The inertia of rest helps the coin to fall into the tumbler. Let's do another activity. In a moving bus, the bodies of the passengers are in motion along with the motion of the bus. They try to remain in motion even when the bus has stopped. As a result, the passengers inside are thrown forward. This happens due to the inertia of motion. On the other hand, if a bus suddenly starts from rest, the passengers are thrown backward. In this case, the body of the passenger tries to remain at rest even when the bus starts. Let's summarize. Inertia is the natural property of a body due to which it tends to oppose any change in its state of rest or motion. Depending on the state of the object, inertia is of two types: inertia of rest and inertia of motion. Mass of a body is the measuring parameter for its inertia.